Good day, Mom and Sir. Let me introduce to you myself. I'm Jennifer. I am 43 years old. I am from Jones Isabela, Philippines. I am happily married. I have two daughters, ages 5 and 14. I'm a college graduate with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. My hobbies are tutoring, cleaning, maintaining the house, laundry, ironing, and marketing and gardening also. About my work experiences, I became a teacher and a private tutor in the Philippines for 6 years. I handled young kids during my teaching days. During my off days, I became a private tutor in some of my pupils. About my work abroad, I entered Malaysia in the year 2022 and I ended my contract in 2025. It's a finished contract with a good record. My employers are Indian couples. So my responsibilities to them are I do cleaning, I do cooking, I do ironing, I do some gardening, I do some car washing, and I manage also their office by cleaning it and see to it that all things are in a proper place. The reason why I want to work abroad is because I want also to explore other places. I want also to be trained, to be teachable, to save money for my family and for our future. To my future employer, I am honest, understanding, workaholic, work under pressure, to be trusted, and can work without so much supervision. I can also accept trainings when it's needed. To my dear future employer, please hire me because I have also a lot of experiences during my stay in the Philippines and in abroad. I do hope that you will hire me and see you soon. God bless.